Hi, welcome to my studio. You guys are going to be setting up studios at home, and it sounds kind of daunting, but it's really pretty simple. I work at a very small workspace here. I'm using a 2 foot by 4 foot table, and I work standing up, so my setup might be a little bit different from you, but I just prop things up to get to the appropriate height, whatever I can find around. It'd be amazing how strong and sturdy things are. Like, this is an empty clay box, but it works really well for putting a wear board on top and then sculpting on top of that. So I have my sculpting area here and my work area here where I roll coils. My tools, all my go-to tools right here in one convenient to reach location. I have some slippy water always on hand, clean up water with a sponge always on hand, and that's really all you need if you're not super concerned about the mess you're going to be making. We have a concrete floor, it's inside, this is a dedicated workspace, so I'm not too concerned about that. But in your studio, if you're working inside, you might want to consider getting a painter's tarp. And especially if you're working on a hardwood table of some sort, there's going to be clay. Clay is going to get everywhere. It's just going to happen. In particular, on the table you're working. And if it's wood, if you cover that with a tarp or with plastic and then fold it up at the end of each work day and shake it up outside, cleanup is going to be way simpler. Another place where you're going to get a lot of clay is right in this area where you're either sitting or standing. And if you have a tarp underneath that area, that's going to really help out a lot, especially if you have carpeting or you want to minimize your cleanup. All you'll have to do is, at the end of the day, pick up that tarp, fold in all the corners, maybe grab a family member or friend, take it outside and shake it out, and don't breathe it in. Note where the wind is going, let that clay dust go downwind. Wax paper is my friend. These contraband plastic bags are my friend. You might find other friends for your special little workspace in your studio. So have fun and enjoy, and don't be messy, because it's a pain cleaning up clay. Work as clean and tidy as you can. Okay, we'll see you soon.